Alrighty, I was having extended starts, also known as hard starts, in my Chevy Avalanche, and I did a little trick that might have fixed it. Let's see. She fired right up then. It's been, like I said, I've been having extended starts, also known as hard starts, where the engine just turns over and won't crank up, but it'll usually crank up on the second try, or it always cranks up on the second try. But what I did, the purge, that's the purge valve right there. It's stuck open, which is causing my problems. And that line right there goes back to the charcoal canister, and as you can see, it's partially on. I pulled it all the way off and then just kind of slid it up on there. And ever since I did that, to where it's getting both a mixture of regular air and fuel vapors, I haven't had any hard starts yet. I'll test it out for a little while and make sure that fixed it. That's just a temporary fix. I need to replace that. Definitely just need to replace that, but that is a temporary fix. Is to just barely put your line on. Alrighty, let's see how quick she starts up again. Fired right up.